apa?
Assalamualaikum tu.
Tak ikut ni dulu.
Okey lah.
Tak kena tekan.
Kau tekan. Sekali. Okey, tekan.
Assalamualaikum to Amin and my fellow friend. Today we from Group 2 will present about technical analysis. So welcome to join our introduction video. So as you guys can see, our group name is Gender Wave Group. Our recommendation is for Cyber Jaya Education Group Berhad and with MISC is by, and for Petronas is sell. So keep in your mind, for Cyber Jaya and MISC is by, Petronas is sell.
Let's start with the support and resistance, which is show an upward movement and leaning strong upward. Next for the price trend, the stock has been moving upward, constantly staying above the 21-day moving average, which is a strong sign of bullish momentum. And also building momentum to potential move to higher in the future. Next, the volume. The volume is stable with the price increase, but at the end, it's going down. This shows that there is strong market interest and buyers and active supporting the stock. This could leads to the further price increase.
Next, I will continue with the MACD line, which it shows the cross signal, which is MACD line, the blue line, cross over the red line, the signal. So it shows the bullish signal. So here it shows the bullish signal. Okay. For the ROC, we can see that it's still positive. For the 14 January, it's still positive. Showing that the stock momentum is holding up well. So ROC line cross over the equilibrium line 0 from above. Next, for the RSI, we can see that it shows the line here above 50%, and but it's below 70% and not cross the 70% here. And it's leaving room for more growth. So I assume that indicating here continue its indicating here if we continue upward movement. So that's why we recommend that this is That's why we recommend that this stock is buy stock. Buy stock.
Next, I will explain for the Petronas gas Berhad stock chart analysis. Okay, looking at the current market condition and technical indicators, the current price is at 17 ringgit 60 cent, just under the resistance level 17 ringgit 95 cent. Ni. However, despite being close to the resistance level, the stock cannot. There is no strong upward movement that can be signal of reversal in price. If the stock cannot push through this level, so it may start to lose the momentum.
Okay, for volume, as you guys can see, here is volume is low. So compared to earlier period, here and here. So indicating lack of strong interest of trading. That's why we predict Petronas Gas Berhad stock is going to bearish. So we recommend to sell. So another is MACD line. Indicator has crossed from above, as you guys can see. Right here, the blue line is crossed the red line from above, showing a sign of bearish movement. For our rate of change, the line cross the equilibrium line from line 0 from above, so that also show the stock we're going to bearish. So that's all for this stock.
Okay, next is MISC stock. Okay, so the signal is buy because positive momentum, which is MACD. Okay, so here as you see this decline trend. Okay, MACD line is currently closing above the signal trend. So okay, and then which is widely kind of bullish signal indicating increased buying pressure. And then MACD histogram is also increased. So jadi macam ni lah. So they're showing the turning upward momentum in the trend. Okay, next for ROC. Here. Okay, the ROC has shift into the positive. So when here is a decline, so the trend will increase. Okay, signal that the price is gaining strength compared to previous period and suggests recovery in the market. Okay, next is RSI. The RSI is rising from the natural zone. RSI here, same like the above. So the trend will. So the trend will reflect increasing buying interest, although it has not yet reached the overbought zone. Okay, next is support and resistance level. So this one first is resistant one. Here is resistant. Oh, sorry, resistant two. So for support and resistance level, the current price is 7.1. Is above the key support level at 7.06, which serves as a strong buying zone. If the price break through the resistance level, resistance 1 and resistance 2, which is 7.27 and 7.3, it is likely to target the next resistance to 7.2.
predict this. Our group predict this volume will increase because the price begin to recover, indicating the buyer are stepping into the support line. So we predict the price will bullish. Okay. For this stock, Malaysian International Shipping Corporation, we suggest you to buy because the stock is near support, providing an attractive low risk entry point. Next is bullish movement indicator like MACD, ROC and RSI support the likelihood of upward movement. So here we predict is this candlestick we going to uptrend. And increasing volume indicates market confidence is in a potential recovery. So that's why our group predict this Malaysian International Shipping Corporation will going to bullish.
Sorry, can we go back to the Petronas? I forgot to explain the RSI. As you can see here for the RSI, recently the RSI has crossed over the above 70% level, indicating that the stock was in overbought zone when there is strong upward momentum there. So after staying for a few days, the RSI has crossed over below 17% level, indicating suggesting that the bullish momentum is declining and it start to show the strong signal for selling this stock. So based on all these factors that we have explained before, I recommend to consider selling this stock or preparing to sell soon, as the overall chart is pointing toward the bearish signal. That's all from me.
Okay, for the conclusion, our group Candlewave recommend, after using the indicators such as MACD, ROC and RSI, our group recommend Cyberjaya Education Group Berhad with MISC stock. We recommend you to buy, and for Petronas we recommend you to sell. So that's all from our group.
Okay, thank you very much, number 2. Okay, a few questions for you. Alright. Number 1, I noticed that okay, first your recommendation is to sell, to buy, and is to sell, not buy. Now let's look at the on the buy side, to buy stocks. Now, I think maybe you have touched some, but you have not really touched on the support and resistance in terms of trading strategy, trading plans. Now, let's say let's take MIC, right? Can you explain to me, if I am interested and I want to buy now, when should I sell? How much profit can I get from this stock if I intend to buy the stock today using support and resistance line as a trading plan?
Okay, so here support
let's say I buy your resistance, the first resistance. Any idea where should I sell and how much profit should I get from this stock?
We suggest you to, if the price go to the resistance one line and rebounds back, so we suggest you to start sell here at the price of 7.9.
Okay. So how much profit can I get from that? The different price is different. I buy a resistance and then I sell your resistance number 2 lah, eh? So how much profit can I make from that transaction? Roughly how much profit, how much can I get from this stock?
How much profit?
I buy and then sell resistance, your resistance there.
10 to 20 cents.
10%?
Yeah.
Oh, a lot lah.
Yeah, that.
Okay, millionaire. I want to buy 1 million. Okay, betul. Okay, well, thank you very much. Next question. Masa pendek lah, nanti saya tadi pada soalan tu setiap guru ni. Tadi pun 3 je, ingat lah, bukan 5. Okay, you pick a stock. Explain to me. Oh, do you find any patterns for those 3 stocks? No, what?
We don't find any.
Okay. Never mind. Explain to me any of the stocks, your favorite, one indicator lah, explain a bit detail on that particular stock, indicator. How you come up with the buy and sell. Any stock, any indicator that you like to explain to the class. Everyone else please pay attention lah. Especially those in the picture.
One indicator. Kejap. Wait. MACD. Okay, as far as I know, when the MACD line, like this blue color MACD line cross over the signal line from above, it means like should buy the stock. Should sell. Sorry. Sorry, sell. Sell the stock. You can see here convergent volume. You can see the trend here, like this one. We predict it will be like this. The volume convergent.
Okay, relate to the price up there.
Price.
I mean, MACD, you relate to the price.
Okay.
How can you relate?
How you really have? Current price here at 17.60 cent. Just below the resistance one. Here 70 ringgit 95 cents. So you can see here it does not break the resistance one level. So it means it's going to the support level, which indicates the downward movement.
Okay, alright.
But you can see start from here. There's downward trend. So it pushing the price higher. So the
Lower or higher?
Push price
lower,
lower.
lower. So the traders would take interest on this to sell.
Okay. Okay, last question. Maybe the other yang have not responded, they can answer my question.